Viewers all over the world, you are welcome to Toyden online class. Today we want to look at example on nature of root. Let's look at this question. If the equation, what is the equation? X squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to p into bracket x minus 3 has equal roots. Find the possible values of x. Of course, when it has equal roots, it simply means that the discriminant is equal to 0. When they have equal roots, that's one of the conditions. On other case 3 that we considered in the last video. So let's try and rewrite everything in form of quadratic equation. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to px minus 3p. Let's bring everything to the left hand side. We have x squared minus 3x. When px comes in, it becomes minus 3 minus px, then plus 1, then plus 3p is equal to 0. So let's write everything. X squared will now be equal to minus, that will be 3 plus p into bracket x. I've been able to group this together, then plus 3p plus 1 equal to 0. So we have everything in form of a quadratic equation now. So that our a will be equal to 1, that is the coefficient of x. Then b will be equal to minus 3 plus p. That will be minus 3 plus p. That is the coefficient of x. Then c, which is the constant, is equal to 3p plus 1. That is what we have been able to do. So we are given in this question that if this quadratic equation has equal roots, we only have equal roots when you have the third case. That is, when the discriminant is equal to 0. That is, b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. That is equal root. Of course, I can make b squared submit the formula. I will have b squared to be equal to 4ac. That is the condition that we are going to apply here. Then, for us to be able to find the value of p, we apply this condition. Then from here, what is b? B in this case is minus 3 plus p all squared is equal to 4. A is 1 multiplied by 1 into bracket 3p plus 1. So that is the only way to find the value of p. We equate the discriminant to be equal to 0. What is the discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. Then if you open up here, minus times minus will be plus. Then if you open up here, we are going to have 9 plus 6p plus p squared at the left hand side. This other side, we are going to have 12p plus 4. So let's continue. We have 2p, p squared plus 6p. If this one should come in, we have minus 6p and minus 12p. That's minus 12p. Then we have plus 9 minus 5 equal to 0. Then here we are going to have p squared minus 6p plus 5 equal to 0. That is the quadratic equation. So that's the quadratic equation. If you solve that quadratic equation, we are going to get the two values for p. And the appropriate value here, I want to use factorization method here. I'm going to have p squared minus, that will be minus 5p minus p plus 5 equal to 0. I'll do the grouping. P is common in the first bracket. I will have p minus 5. So minus 1 is common here. I'm going to have p minus 5 equal to 0. So p minus 1 and p minus 5 equal to 0. So p minus 1 equals 0 or p minus 5 equals 0. So p is equal to 1 or p is equal to 5. So p is equal to 1 or 5. Those are the two values of p that makes that quadratic equation to have if the quadratic equation has equal roots. So these are the two values of p. And that is the essence of knowing the nature of roots. If you know the nature of roots, you'll be able to solve further problems under quadratic equations. So in our next video, we'll take further examples. Thank you, and God bless you all.